Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by landing on Skribbl, EO, and entering a room where you'll draw. Once you're in, make sure your browser extensions are ready. Auto Draw or the suggestion tool should be open in a separate tab or window. When your turn countdown starts, switch immediately to the drawing canvas. Do this because timing is limited and you need the suggestion tool active the moment you sketch. Preparing now prevents fumbling later and keeps you focused on producing quick, recognizable shapes for the assistant. Once it's your turn, start with broad, confident strokes so Auto Draw can detect the shape. Small tentative marks reduce recognition accuracy. You should draw the primary silhouette first, then add a couple of defining details, eyes, wheels, handles, because the suggestion engine needs context. As suggestions appear, click the most plausible match. Then use scale and rotate handles to fit it precisely onto the canvas. This method speeds up production and yields clearer images for guessers, increasing point chances. To finish, tidy edges and remove stray marks so the word is obvious to players. Clean visuals matter more than detail. If Auto Draw doesn't propose good matches, simplify your next stroke to a basic geometric form and try again. The tool is optimized for simple inputs. If problems persist, refresh the extension, clear your browser cache, or switch browsers. Doing so usually resolves lag or recognition errors. Following these final checks ensures a clean image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.